Komiti mar od bura mochung'ne weche keto mwandu kod ohala omiyo duol mochung'ne lowo National Lands Commission ndalo 30 mar chiwo oboke mar lowo ne kuonde romo Mako Mesa kod Garden Square manie kar romo maduong' mar KICC. Jokanyo mag komitino bende olieko nitie jokanye duol mar lowo man kod dwaro mar piny mar yako lowo mar KICC. Jatend migawo mawuoth Alfred Mutua bende okwedo wach keto KICC e lwet ji giwegi. Ka jatend migawo mar lowo Alice Waome osingo ni gidhi tiyo kamoro achiel mar golo obok mar lowo mar KICC.
Let me recognize the coming of a leader of minority in the house. It's a member. Very much, that's important. You know, Honorable Komiti is also the last guidance we are giving everybody as committee is that 1 month, Madam, we are giving you, or the committee is giving you, with that title KICC. Yes.
I had confirmed that we have one title. The remaining land is one that is not titled, and it is not shared out. I can confirm to the public because, Honorable Chair, you have gone on air, on the media to say, to speak to this question and the fear that you have, legitimate fear. But I'm confirming to the public that this land is intact, notwithstanding correspondence of people who have a wish to have any part of it. You cannot control people who may want to take it, but of the Minnesota and many other land now with NLC who are here and they have confirmed that no action will be taken. We will.
Kawadhi weche mag pur mag ochele, jopur ochele mawuok